Sheep signs. Let's see what are you attracting for next 7 days. So first I will pull your current energy. Currently the world, you are trying to detach from something. I think you are going far away your family members, or this can be about your feeling. You are trying to move on from something, okay, something from your past, something you are dealing in the past. For the next 7 days, the star, be hopeful. The positive results are coming for you. These results can be anything for you, okay? Whatever you're waiting for, you're going to receive the positive result. The Ace of Swords, you are going to get something great idea in next 7 days, or I think you have already this idea. And if you have these kind of some ideas, but you were doubting about that, then the guidance is that take the action in this idea, because this idea is great. You're going to bring the very positive result in the future, okay? And now you are protecting yourself or your positive energy, or this can be you're protecting or standing up for yourself, your passion, okay? Something you are very passionate about, but some people or some restriction are there, then you are finally standing up for yourself in these 7 days energy, okay? And you are working hard to make lots and lots of money, okay? You are receiving a happy big amount of abundant amount of money, okay? And finally you are bringing that peace in your life, and that peaceful or peacefully sleeping in these next 7 days, okay? Finally you are attracting that in your life. I think you were going through a little bit of tension, not happy, or dissatisfaction, or this can be anything, okay? You were trying to move on from something. Finally you are bringing the peace. Yeah, look, you were having a lots of tension about your relationship, or maybe about your career path, okay? Or about your financial. They were not really happy about that. So let's see, finally you are bringing the healing energy in your life, okay, from that, because finally you are following your passion and you are making lots of financial freedom, happiness, bringing lots of positive energy in your life. So you are healing from that past negative things finally, okay? These negative things can be like your relationship, or again your career. This can be anything, okay, for you, depends. So let's see some love guidance for you. Settling, again this message, avoid settling for less than you deserve in love, please. If you are settling for less than you deserve, then don't settle there. You deserve better than this, okay? This card is guiding you that. And true love, a deep and enduring connection going beyond superficial attraction. True love, okay? So you can expect the true love in the future, in upcoming very soon. True love energy, okay? So that's why don't settle for like just less than you deserve, okay?